Ribona yakire yamanye kopekera ni kwamo ase ebilia ya mugosomo swada yomo oyo bwaterantia ni GCDF obwate dingafu bwante Center Oversight Fund ngakibago cyo kwikabanya gwata na batebe ngata chinde ekigo ya oversight na bera ende eyende tigare terigo cyo
no ngwetere yonsi ituguru pass because abachumba bale member of parliament they are very corrupt n'abantu babwate birengereri batatageti korengereri about people baerengereri tibo kabanyene nandi kibese chinchendo chinge babeta awarded mune president from the sitting president if the law states very clearly that this thing is illegal if the law states very clearly this is not the mandate of a member of parliament, why oko insisting let them continue getting it? As a president, you should stop it. If omanye tonya gutagete lichiko liororobe amini obugambi bwororobe even any administration ona munora what lichiko mate mubwatema lichiko ndiro moire mogote anga to goseto kugamba muntu ko rega otayo aigerere amachikari tali arokubwati. That is why more successful. That is why we develop bakalero mubwata kama iki atali ntoliko bwata iga. You see, so that is why ngo having it is wrong eri chikoli salegete from mugoro omuntu takeire go implement fast ne president richiko
the back stops
yes at all the time na ekoira na back to the president. If it were me, what did the court say? We stop there.
Irigo